Hi all, my name's Tim. I'm from Aussie Karting. I'm one of the Victorian dealers down here. I'm just going to go through today and show you how to assemble a blokart straight out of the bag. It's quick, simple, it'll take no time at all. In my kit I have the blokart actually stored in the bag. It's roughly the same size as a suitcase. Weighs approximately between 25 and 28 kilos, depends on what you have inside it. And then I've got the Quiver Bag. The Quiver Bag holds all my kit. It's got my sails, it's got my mast sections, it's all neat and tidy and it doesn't get thrown around in the back of the vehicles. Here we are, we're about to unpack our bag. First thing I'm going to do is open up the bag and I'm going to check to make sure all the gear's there, ready to be assembled. So, unzipping, simple as. Flip it over. Okay, here we are. Here's the kit. Just opened it up. Like I say, just like a suitcase. And it's got almost everything in there that you need for the body assembly. Here we've got the keel tube. It's what the front wheel attaches to. It goes onto the front end of the car. So, check. We've got our front end. Here, this is your steering wheel or your steering column. Alright, check, we've got steering. Moving around, taking out, we've got tyres. Alright, rear wheel tyres with the stubs in. Best thing to do when you're getting them out is just have them sitting there like that. Check, we've got those. Now we need the axles to attach to the car. 2 axles, check. Right, that pretty much is everything that's required in the car. Okay, so now we've got all the gear out, we see we've got everything we need. What I'm going to do now is start putting them together, the bits and pieces, so it all goes together.
Right, Jack.
Right, with your wheel up, the axle with a little hole, fits onto the wheel, like, get it in the right spot. Like so, that's one. Get the other one. Too. When you're trying to line these up with the nodules, sometimes you don't get them lined up properly and it's a little bit of a problem. So it's easy, you just grab hold of the nut on the other side, hold it still, and just twist your axle. Easy as. Now, hooking it up onto the blokart by lifting up your rear end, grab your first wheel and axle, slide it into the hole. There's a hole in there that's got it all locked in together. That's one. Lining up, there we go, there's 2. So there's our rear end or our axle assembly all put together. Next thing is pulling up the back, putting the seat, locking the seat in position. There's dust, sand and dust in here from blokarting. Then I'll move around to the front end. And mast crane's got to go up. So mast crane and side stays get pulled up. Just pushing those up if need be. Don't force them up, just gently bring them up. You force everything, you're stretching it. You're stretching it, you're making your cart sloppy. A tight cart is a fast cart. Right. So first side stay goes on. Doesn't matter what side you do first. Get it on, pull it in nice and tight. Everything applies. Fast cart's tight cart. Hooked on. Right, once I've got the side stays on, safety clip, it's got to go over. It doesn't matter which way you go, it's up to you, but generally I go around to the front and that way I keep clear of all my ropes. And that's that. That's the side stay. So there's the main chassis done. Now we just got to put together the wheels, the front keel tube and the steering column. The front to get it right. Tube, it goes like that, lifting it up, and it slides down the barrel, down the centre of the blokart. When we get the right line up, it gets tight in that last little bit. Tight cart's fast cart. There we go, it's locked in. Turn the wheel around. There we go. Alright, now once we've got the cure tube in, we tighten up this part. Flick round. Hook too tight. It's still too tight. There we go. Okay, that's it. That's the front kill tube put in place. What we now need to do is get the fitting that goes on here and the steering column put in place. Okay, now we're going to put the steering column in place and attach it to the front wheel. Steering column goes down through the centre. If you come around this side, you can see down the centre where I'm attaching this to. Alright, here you've got the bush, the steering bush in the actual muscrane, so pushing down the button, sliding it in, pushing it down until it's almost down to the bottom. Alright, it's always easiest to actually put this, the locking device, over the top of the steering column first, then catch up and work it down. This is a new cart, so it's tight. They do get looser as time goes by, but a tight cart is a fast cart, so of course this one being new, she's got a fair way. Come around this side and just point down under this for us, will you? Thanks, Alana. Alright, now the attachment here, it slides down over the top of the actual front fork assembly. Make it so that you can actually tighten that up without too much trouble. The pin slots through the actual two shafts, so it's going through that and the front fork at the same time. That's your safety device to make sure that your wheels are all lined up and you're not going to be turning one way and having the car go another way. When you can get them lined up. There we go. Okay. And that goes in there like that, with that going down. Bingo, there's your car. Then we turn it out and we put the wind indicator on. This isn't a standard accessory, this isn't a standard part of the cart. It's it's an optional extra, which is ideal for beginners, considering that it's hard to tell which way the wind's going when you're first starting, especially in daylight today when we have no wind, so it's not really going to be a benefit at all. So that's how you put together a blokart straight out of the bag. Hope you've enjoyed our video, and we have many more to come. Cheers.